Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you've seen, Caleb did his video on his 2024 gear loadout, or what we're running for equipment. I'm going to go over and do a run over on all of my equipment. And I'm also, I don't think he did a chest rig in his video, but I do have a chest rig. So I have two options, so I can run my plate carrier or my chest rig. But obviously both are whatever the mission calls for is the one you're going to use. He's got the Swift clips, which is cool. I just haven't done that yet. I'm still running the Cry JPC, the old one, not the 2.0, so it doesn't have the buckles. I do like that one a lot, though. That one works really, really well. So, all right, I'll get my gear thrown out for you guys, and then we'll start going over it. Okay, guys, so we're going to break this up into a couple parts. First, we're going to start with headgear, right? Now I got all of my shit in here. So I put all my stuff that's gonna end up going in pockets, or that I switch throughout equipment, because I don't have a pile of redundancy, like extra equipment. I do this for a living, and then I do this on the side, so I can only have so much shit, right? So, all right, got this high cut helmet with the Howard Light Impact Sport. The Howard Light Impact Sports on the 3M, I forget what these are called, the arc, whatever. The mounts anyway for these, made by 3M. Haven't changed anything else in here. Oh, but these gel cups for the ear pads on these Howard Light Impact Sports are the way to go. That's the shit. Definitely gonna be looking for an ops core though. This is not an ops core. It's like a, I'm not even sure what it is, but it's a knockoff, if you will, of a high cut ops core, but it does the job. It works well. So there's that. That's for headgear. Nothing fancy on there right now. So then we'll get into this stuff. Now this is what I throw in there, because it's got to go in my pockets. I need your face paint. So you got your face paint. Got my mirror. That shit stays together. Then I got a gator of some kind, just some type of camo gator, right? Gotta cover your face up sometimes. And then in here, this kind of all stays together on this carabiner. So I got my two sets of gloves. I got my old leathers, love my leathers, and then I got my Woodland Mechanics gloves. I got my Ranger beads, my headlamp, and then my compass. It's got my Suto. This compass is perfect. So that does everything I need it to do, and that's for the helmet. And I'll put this stuff away. I'll pull out my plate carrier, and we'll go over that, and then we'll go over my battle belt, and then I'll show you guys that chest rig and kind of spitball some ideas, because I haven't even set it up yet, so it just needs to be filled with equipment. All right, I'll see you guys in the plate carrier. Okay guys, so now we're getting to the plate carrier. So this is Cry JPC, as I already said. It has Hesco L210s in it, front and back, and then I think that's about it for like the plate carrier itself. Okay, and the shit that's on it. So I got my an admin pouch here on the side, not an admin pouch, but a general purpose GP pouch for all sorts of shit. I keep flex cuffs in there, spare radio batteries, electrical tape, multi-tool. I got a boo-boo kit in here. I got some extra zip ties. I got some bug spray and batteries. So basically everything I need to sustain everything that's on this equipment here I'm carrying. And then, so it has the built-in mag pouches in the back here. And I bought from a company up north. I can't remember the company, but it's a Kydex insert that velcros inside there. So they're rigid and they're easy to just put back in there. You can re-index without an issue. And then in front of that, I got two of the Blue Force gear. These elastic pouches. They're M4 pouches. So I put those up there. I got my two pistol mags, which you can always replace with anything you want. They don't have to have blue pistol mags, you know. Put multi-tools, flashlights, that type of shit. And then I got my trauma shears. You always need those. And then radio. Run the fucking, I don't even know which Baofeng this is. I switched to a new one. It's more of a waterproof Baofeng. It runs a lot better too than those orange ones we were using. I got my smoke. I got my grenade pouch right here, smoke grenade pouch. And then I got my tourniquet on a pouch that I made that velcros behind. I'll show you guys real quick. So it velcros right here behind. So I just stitched these up because they sell them for like what, like fucking $12, something crazy. So I just said, fuck it, why don't I just make them myself? And it saved me a lot of money. But yeah, so I got my radio. Run that shit through here. Runs up through the back and right up over the top into the shoulder mic, and then that's got a plug on it so that I can plug it into my headset, so I don't have to just blast it out into the woods, because that seems pretty fucking dumb. Alright, we're just gonna go right into the belt. I'm not fucking cutting it anymore. I'm just right here. Boom. Look at that. Easy, easy, easy. Alright, so this is what we got going on right now. This thing is gonna change. It's been like this for a long time, and it works. Stuff's getting old. Everything's good, really, except for this blue force gear Microtrauma now. Like, this thing's shot. Like, I'll be running around the woods and it kind of just opens up and falls apart. I mean, you expect it. It's that elastic and hook and loop, so it's not gonna last forever. But so this is my belt. Anyway, this belt's fantastic. This is the Raptor Tactical belt. It's a two-piece, you know, your Velcro inner and your outer. It's sweet. It's got the nice cobra buckles on it. Which they clip together really nice. If you're looking for a good belt, I would say this for the price. Just due to the fact that battle belts are hella expensive right now. You can get cheap ones, but I won't buy a cheap one because then you're just going to be buying another one again anyway when that one breaks. So, but this is the setup on this. So I got a tourniquet that pretty much dangles right in my front right here when I put it on, and then my holster for my pistol is right behind that. It's that TRex Arms on a Safariland mid-ride. And then I did the modification here with the elastic to go over the grip of my pistol so I don't lose it, because obviously it's only Kydex and it doesn't have any other retention, motive retention besides the Kydex. I got a Mora companion with my Fire Striker on there, and then my blue force gear Microtrauma now. I got another tourniquet here and a tourniquet pouch. And then I got one M4 mag in a. These are the pouches they sell on TRex Arms. I don't even know who makes them. Maybe I don't know if they're actually his or not. They're just like the Kiwis. They might be Kiwis. But anyway, M4, 2 pistol mag pouches, and then I got my Leatherman super tool. Because this thing's just super. You need one. There's no such thing as too many multi-tools. You guys have seen 2 now, just between my first and second line. So that is my setup. Now we're going to talk about uniforms real quick, because I know Caleb brought up uniforms. Now he's got some pretty slick uniforms going on right now, which I like. I like the uniform, but yeah, I'm old and just don't care. So we're rocking the old BDUs. There's nothing wrong with these. Nothing, absolutely nothing. They don't fit you. They're not high speed, you know. They don't fit your body very tightly, but that's okay. It doesn't really matter. And I don't really wear the top that often, but if I do, I got this thing stitched up because we carry our state patch and the American flag, obviously, because America, baby. So that's how that shit goes there. But honestly, like 70% of the time, like what I'm wearing right now, this is what you're gonna see me in the field with, because yeah, because I don't know who I'm trying to hide from. And I forgot one thing for you guys. So now, since we have alternated roles in the group, I'm not the primary medic anymore. I'm secondary. I'm TCCC certified, but my buddy's a paramedic or an EMT, paramedic EMT. I don't know. One of them. So anyway, this used to be just full of medical equipment just for me to carry duplicates and doubles and extras of everything. So basically now, this is just an extra trauma kit. If I want to throw it on here and for some reason I don't have my belt, or I can put it on my chest rig, which I'll show you guys in a second. So I got my NPA. I got the lube for it. And then a pair of nitrile gloves. And then in here, I got a trauma dressing, triangle bandage. I got my S-roll gauze and a set of vented chest seals. So pretty much everything you need in here. And I want to say the company that makes this, I bought it on Amazon. They got these little sweet retention things for your tourniquet. That's what I was looking for, tourniquet. And it's just a dangler, but it was really cheap, and the build quality is fantastic. It's Cry with a K, Crydex, maybe. Yeah, Crydex, I believe. I'm gonna say that's what the company is. Honestly, I would use this a lot. It works really fucking well. So I wouldn't be opposed to buying another one. Okay, I'm gonna grab my chest rig and I will be right back. Okay, guys. So this is literally brand new. I have put it together, adjusted it, and put it on. I haven't even put magazines in it yet. That's how new this is. So I'm not gonna spoil too much about this thing yet. I know it's been out for a while. This is that chest rig that TRex Arms is selling. I got their general purpose pouch and their hydration pouch in here. And then obviously it comes fixed with the 4 double mag pouches on the front. Comes with that H harness. It's pretty sweet. I like it. It's a really comfortable rig. But I can't say too much on it because obviously, like I said, haven't got the really loaded up equipment to use it. I'm gonna try to use this thing at work, see how that goes, and then I'll let you guys know from there. So this is super sweet. So in the back here, see if you can see it. Yep. So behind the chest straps, or the shoulder straps, I mean, it's got radio pouches or your tourniquet pouches, whatever you want to use it for. The tourniquets just slide right in there, real nice and perfect, almost like they were made to go in there, and then they don't go nowhere. Just throw your little retention band over there, just good to go. Got 2 on both sides. You can put a big ass radio in there. I'm pretty sure you fit an embedder in that bitch. Not 100% sure, because I think the battery will fit. I'll have to give that a try later, because I don't have one. But yeah, so I'm really gonna try to start setting this thing up, and I'll let you guys know. I'll do an actual review on this instead of just, you know, pointing at it and touching it and talking about it. I'll put it on and use it, you know, roll around in the mud or something. But yeah, that's my setup right now. We'll do ruck videos here soon too. But right now, this is what we got. I'm gonna fix you guys real quick. Okay, guys. So yeah, that's everything. Yeah, I ain't got nothing else. Like I said, ruck video. That's definitely gonna happen. We'll do like a breakdown on our rucks. You want to see the weapon systems? We'll do that too. And then comment anything else you guys want to see, because I really don't know what else I'm supposed to post. Kind of stuff I don't have a lot of time either. Caleb's got a little bit more than me, but probably not. About the same. We're real busy right now, so we're posting when we can. Thankfully, I can get out this weekend to go post this video. Yeah, just blow up the comments like you did in the last video. That video fucking fantastic. It was a great video. I like that. Because when we hear from you guys and we know what you want to see, so we can post more content sway towards what you guys want to see. I mean, next I'm willing to explore some new things and do some new shit. So just if you like the video, like it, And if you want to see more of this kind of content, well, definitely subscribe, because there'll be more of it. Might not be fast, but we'll get it out there to you guys. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.